Welcome back, everyone. Another episode. I see we're over by the Odyssey right now, and you may be wondering, well, are you working on the Odyssey? No, not in this video. Make sure we're still on. Yeah, we are still on. So I was sent a winch to review. I see over here. What I'm doing is I'm removing the label. Okay, I did open it. So I wasn't really sure because I was expecting a couple things today. Go ahead and open it, pull this cardboard out. It's from, forgot how to pronounce the name. Off-road something. OPR Off-Road. Okay. Besides, those might have been those ones. Not 100% sure. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to mount it somewhere back here. And then I can winch machines on. Now, this is a wood table, and I got to put some supports on it and do some more work, because if I put this on here, it's going to bust the wood and rip the whole table apart. So I got to do some modifications. Here's the remotes. set that for there now. If I can run this without it, I'm not going to need this because I got the remote. So, cut this apart, gonna go see what's up. So I want to say big thanks to, can't remember how to say it. OPR Off-Road. That's how I think you pronounce their name. I want to say big thanks to them. Open Off-Road 4-Wheel Drive or openoffroad4wheeldrive.com. I want to say big thanks to them for sending me the winch. We're definitely going to use it. Usually you mount a winch on an ATV or something like a go-kart or something, but we're doing a little different here. And we're mounting it on here so I can winch stuff up. You may be asking yourself, why would I be doing this? Because one, it is way cheaper to build a table like this than to buy one. I had all this material just lying around, so I built one. And that's what you got to do sometimes. Then I'm going to use a Milwaukee battery to power it, which I have done this on other winches and it's worked. So I don't see why it wouldn't work on this. Now we are going to because I got to get the Grizzly up here because the Grizzly has a whole bunch of problems. So I got to get up here and going to work on it. Once I get the Odyssey finished, which hopefully I get it fixed where I have some spark pretty soon because it's starting to irritate me, you know. It's really starting to irritate me. I put all this work and money into this thing and I still don't have spark. Now I could convert it to CDI instead of points. That is something I could do. I wasn't planning on doing it, but I could. Odd ATV, they sell a kit or make a kit and sell a kit to do that on these Odysseys. I was supposed to hear back from him because he knows these things better than me and he's going to give me some tips and see what's happening. I don't know why, but the dang stinking I have to adjust that. The stinking lead wasn't. Something like that. Now I don't know if that's just because of me or if that's the way it comes, but you might have to adjust your little hooky. Mine didn't just bolt directly on. Okay, so we do have an adapter. I want it mounted something like right there, but we got some major work to do on this before it's to the point where we can mount it. I mean, where I put that jack, it's pushing the whole thing down, so I need to get some supports, put them up through here, screw them, and hopefully pick this whole thing up and get it to where it's can support this much weight. I built this very strong, but I didn't think about using it as putting a jack stand or something on it. I like what's on it, so it's kind of not really holding that well, but couple boards, couple bolts, sideways, and they'll be pretty good. So I want to thank everyone for watching. I'll put a link in the description to their website and to this winch, and I'll catch you guys all on the next one. Thanks.